So we're putting together a 50 cell pack for a people transporter. We got our bus bars on there. We made a template here, and that's how we drilled all our holes to get all the bus bars to line up properly. We still have to do this center ones. Then we've got our BMS that we're putting together for it. And we're using one of these that is popular for bicycles in small packs. And his rating is 20 amps. But we're using him with a relay to control the charger. And that's the relay for the charger side. This is for to let you know when you've gone too low, which lights a light right there. So our scheme is we have two 12-volt power supplies that are all right, two power supplies, 12 volts. They are joined together in the middle at the P section, and inside here we have a bunch of transistors that are set up for the bicycle. So if you're powering it, it comes out here, and if you're charging it, it goes in here and then ends up to the negative, which then goes to the negative battery. And right up here is where all our wires are to each individual cell. So that's our scheme. As long as this transistor is on, then that relay is on. As long as this transistor is on, then this is on for charging. And if we get a charging error, we still want to be able to drive. And if we get a driving error, we still want to be able to charge. And that's the reason for these two circuits. Now another circuit I came up with just uses one power supply, one main relay, and it switches down here between the drive and the charge side, depending on what we're doing. This setup here, we have to have something from our key to tell the relay here to either be in charge mode or be in drive mode. So we have it hooked up so when this key relay is on, we're in drive mode. Now, one problem with this setup is that if you're in drive mode, you don't have any protection on your charge, even though the relay will be engaged and the thing will think, oh, I must be charging. I mean, I must be okay to charge even though I'm not, because this side is engaged. So I'm going to think about this and see if I can't redesign this circuit to give us a little more protection. All right, so here's another way to skin the cat. With just one power supply, we have our positive hooked to our P minus, which may seem funny, but there's a reason for that. Now we have a relay that's going to transfer the output to either this relay or this one, depending on if the key is on. So if the key is on, this side here is engaged, this side here is disengaged. That way our power supply is only supplying one relay with power. Not a big deal, but that is, otherwise we're using power continuously, even when charging for our drive alarm circuit. So this is another way. I think this is the way we're going to go with this.